Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel Maths with Balakrishna. Okay, today I am explaining class 10th chapter 4 quadratic equation exercise 4.3. It is the CBSE NCERT syllabus. So question number 12. In previous videos I am explaining the exam question number 11, 10, 9 and so on exercise 4.3. So exam question number 12. If a polygon of n sides has 1 by 2 n of n minus 3 diagonals, how many sides will a polygon having 65 diagonals? Is there a polygon with 50 diagonals? So here they given that polygon means what? A simple closed curve having sides. Okay, a simple closed curve having sides, it is called polygon. Okay, diagonal means what? A line is joining the opposite vertices of a closed curve. Okay, that is called diagonal. Okay, if the polygon having n sides, then the diagonals are 1 by 2 n of n minus 3. So here they are asking that how many sides will a polygon having 65 diagonals. So here number of diagonals given, number of diagonals of n sides polygon is 1 by 2 n of n minus 3. So simply we can add as n of n minus 3 by 2. Okay, the question is how many sides will a polygon having 65 diagonals? So here number of sides of 65 sides of a polygon, 65 diagonals of a polygon is, so the diagonals is equal to number of diagonals of a polygon. So that is here n of n minus 3 by 2 is equal to 65. So to divide, it is going to set up an multiple. So n of n minus 3 is equal to 65 into 2. So n of n minus 3, n into n, n square, n into 3, 3n. So n of n minus 3 is equal 65 to ja. Okay, 65 to ja 130, n into n square minus 3n plus 130 comes this side development minus n square minus 3n minus 130 is equal 0. So here n square quotient is how much? 1. Constant is how much? Minus 130. So 1 into minus 130 is equal minus 130. So that is here we can write as 13 10 ja minus 13 into 10 minus into plus minus 13 10 ja 130. So minus 13 plus 10, that is how much? Minus 3. So n square minus 13n plus 10n minus 130 we can add as 13 10 ja. So is equal 0. So in these two what the common? Minus 13 plus 10, that is equal minus 3. So the product of these two we can get as minus 130. So here in these two what the common? N of n minus 13. In these two what the common? 10 plus 10 of n minus 13 is equal 0. So the total what the common? N minus 13. So n minus 13 of n plus 10 is equal 0. So the product of two polynomials is 0. Either first one is 0 or second one is 0 or both. So n minus 13 is equal 0, n is equal 13, n plus 10 is equal 0, n is equal minus 10. So the number of sides is always positive. So the number of sides of a polygon having 65 diagonals. So 65 diagonals here, n is equal to how much? 13. So next another question is, so number of sides, here another question is what? Is there a polygon with 50 diagonals? Is there polygon having 50 diagonals? Same. How we can do that? So n of n minus 3 by 2 is equal to 50. Okay. So to divide, it is going to develop a multiple. N of n minus 3 is equal to 50 into 2. So n of n minus 3, that is n square minus 3n is equal 100. So n square minus 3n minus 100 is equal 0. So here we can find the roots at zeros. So here n is equal, by using quadratic formula, minus b plus or minus. So by using quadratic formula, minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So that is here minus of minus 3 plus or minus square root of minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 100 by 2 into 1 minus of minus 3 plus or minus square root of 9 plus 4 into 100 400 by 2. So here that is 3 plus or minus square root of 409 by 2. Here we can get the values is decimals. So it is not possible with 50 diagonals. Okay, if the polygon having 50 diagonals, we cannot find the number of sides of a polygon. Question number 13. A rectangular park is to be designed whose breadth is, it is a rectangular park whose breadth is 3 meter less than its length. 3 meters less than its length. Okay, its area to be 4 square meter more than the area of the park that has already be made in the shape of an isosceles triangle. Its base as the breadth of the rectangular park and of altitude 12 meter. Find its length and breadth. Find its length and breadth. Okay, here a rectangular park is to be designed whose breadth is 3 meter more less than its length. Okay, so let us take the length is x. Let us take the length is x. Then breadth is how much? X minus 3. Breadth is x minus 3. The breadth is 3 meter less than its length. So the length here we take the length is x. Then breadth is how much? X minus 3. Okay, so here we can make one isosceles triangle with the base of breadth of rectangle. Okay, the height of an isosceles triangle is 12 meter. Okay, so here what is the given condition? The area of the rectangle is 4 square meter more than the area of isosceles triangle. Okay, so here let us take length of rectangular park. Rectangular park is x, given breadth of rectangular park. Here what is the breadth of rectangular park? 3 meters less than length. Okay, that is x minus 3. So area of rectangular park, area of rectangular park is length into breadth. Here the length is how much? X. Breadth is how much? X minus 3. So here an isosceles triangle is made with the base of breadth of an isosceles triangle. So here base of an isosceles triangle is x minus 3. Altitude of an isosceles triangle is given how much? 12 meters. So then area of triangle, area of an isosceles triangle is, what is the formula? Half into base into height, half into base x minus 3, height 12. So 2 1 ja 2, 6 ja, that is x minus 3 into 6, x minus 3 into 6. So given the area of rectangle is 4 meters more than area of an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. So x into x, x square, it is the area of rectangle, it is the area of isosceles triangle. The area of rectangle is 4 square meters more than. Okay, so x into x, x square minus 3x plus 4, here 6x minus 18. So x square minus 3x, 6x minus 14. So here x square minus 3x minus 6x minus 14 is equal to 0. So x square minus 9x minus 14 is equal to 0. So 14, how to can write? 7 4 ja, 7 2 ja 14. So minus 7 minus 2. So that is here x square minus 7x minus 2x minus 14 come minus 14 come to right left side, what happen? Plus. So here minus 2x plus 14 is equal 0. So in this 2 what the common? X minus 7. In this 2 what the common? Minus 2. So when you take the minus 2 is common, the plus is become minus into minus. So here 14 we can write as 7 2 ja. So minus 2 is taking outside, what the remaining? X minus 7 is equal 0. So x minus 7 of x minus 2 is equal 0. So that is x minus 7 is equal 0, x minus 2 is equal 0, x is equal 7, x is equal 2. So length x is equal 7, then breadth is x minus 3, that is 7 minus 3, that is equal 4. So if length is x is equal 2, then breadth is x minus 3, that is 2 minus 3, it is minus 1. So this value is not valued. Why? We can get the breadth is negative. So the breadth is not always negative. So breadth means measurement, dimension. The dimension value is not negative form. Subscribe our YouTube channel, Maths with Balakrishna. If anybody not subscribed, please subscribe our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, drop comment in a comment box. Thank you for watching my video.